I have to go to Paddington Station for a parcel, but I don't want to pay. So I'm gonna bunk the train fare. I'm gonna get a free ride. I can see everyone paying to go on the train. I'm gonna avoid paying. I'm gonna have a free ride. I'm not paying. Jump up. I think I might get a free train ride. I'm having a free ride. Nobody notices. Not even the train driver. He 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 he. Vroom, 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 vroom. It feels so great to have a free ride. Nobody can stop me. Right, this is the next stop called Tottenham Court Road. Who wants to get off the train? I'm getting off. Thank you. Thanks. I'm staying because this is not my stop. The next stop is Paddington. Get ready, I'm going there. Vroom, 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 vroom. There we are. Paddington. Thank you anyways. Now to collect that parcel. I've collected that parcel and paid. Now it's time to go home. I'm gonna bunk the train fare again. Hee hoo hee hoo. These people always pay for the train. I don't need to pay any money. I'll have a free ride. I always love having free rides. Rides should be for free. Time to get on the train. No need of begging. I always get the free ride. Nobody can catch me. Tickets, please. Tickets, please. I'm the ticket inspector. Oh, dang. I gotta hide from this guy. He always causes nuisance. I'll hide in the toilet. Pretend there's no one there. Tickets, please. Here's my ticket. It's valid. Here's my oyster. Valid. Here's my oyster. Valid. Here's my oyster. It's valid. That means you all have paid for the train. I already paid for the train, so I'm just gonna sit down. Surely that ticket inspector will be gone. Oh, I might need the toilet. There's only one toilet. Hello, I need the toilet. Can you open the door, please? Oh, okay, just let me wash my hands. Okay, take your time. just about to reach the next station. Let me wash my hands. Right. You! Tickets, please. I need your ticket. I can explain. I used to have a ticket, but it got lost. That will be an £80 fine, please. Pay up. Right, here's the next stop. Now is my chance. Run! Oi! Come back! You never paid! I'm gonna have to do something else about that. Just got away from that guy. Just gonna go home by walking. Where I am? I'm at home. I just avoided that ticket inspector. He tried to charge me money because I didn't have a ticket. Although it's his job, I just don't feel like paying. Now, surely nothing bad could happen. I found that guy's house. I'm gonna have a word with him. Who could that be? Who's at my house this time? It's the middle of the night. You didn't pay the fine. Pay up the fine. Excuse me, are you mad? It's the middle of the night. I'm trying to sleep. I have to go to work tomorrow in the morning. What time do you call this? I don't care about the time. You gotta pay the fine. I'm not paying the fine at this time. Now is not the time to pay a fine. It's currently my sleeping time. You ruined my sleep. I have to go at 5 a.m. in the morning. And you just came here at 11 p.m. You gotta pay the fine even if it's too late. I'm not paying a fine. Get off my property or I'm calling the police. Pay the fine or I'll call the police. I'm not paying the fine. Now let me sleep. Horrible man. Oi, open the door. Oh my days. This horrible man is just avoiding the fine because he didn't pay for the train. I have an idea. I'm gonna get up at 4:45 and come to his house. So that way when he's up for work, I'm gonna stand outside his porch and ask him to pay. It's 4:30 in the morning. Time to have some breakfast. Time to get ready for work. Right. Hey, where do you think you're going? To work? Wait a minute. You're that same ticket inspector. Leave me alone. I'm not leaving you alone till you pay the fine. I'm not paying the fine. No matter how many times you tell me to. You got to pay up the fine. I'm tired of these ticket inspectors. That's it. You're getting in my van. Let go of me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Shut up. These horrible ticket inspectors. Hey, let me out. I have a job to do. I have to inspect people's tickets and to see if people have paid. You're coming with me. Hey, let me out. Let me out. Help me. You're coming with me. There we are. The police station. Hello, you're at the police station. How may I help you? I want to report a trespasser who I caught last night. Why were they trespassing? They told me I had to pay a fine because I ditched the train fare. Well, you have to pay the fine, but it's not right for him to come at night to tell you this. I know, right? Do you have him with you? Yes, I do. Get here, you! Stop touching me! Stop touching me! Wait a second, I remember you. You're the ticket inspector. Yes, I am. And I remember you checking my ticket and everyone else's ticket. Yes. So I remember that same guy escaped and decided to not pay the train fare. Yeah. I will ask him to pay the fine. But it's not a good idea to trespass at someone's property in the middle of the night. You're gonna pay a £1,000 fine, Mr. Ticket Inspector. Sorry. And as for the guy that bought you here, he's gonna pay an £80 fine for avoiding the train fare. Let's pay this £1,000. Time to pay the £80 and time to go to work. I paid the £1,000 fine and he paid the £80 fine. That's good. Now you're free to go and you can carry on inspecting people's tickets. Alright.